Hello, my name is Muhammad Usnigalo.
I'm Almira Lacson. Together we are going to discuss or complete about the
Weathering, erosion, and deposition experiment.
from lesson 4 exogenic process.
Experiment, we will need a sheet pan and a straw and ice cubes, a can, and a pitch of water. First, I will prop up one side of a baking sheet so that it can form a shallow slope. Then I will place a towel here at the bottom to catch any runoff.
Place 2 to 3 ice cubes in the top corners of the tray. Make sure the ice is set in a section of flat sand.
Create a narrow river bed down the center of the land by pulling your finger throughout the sand to the top to the bottom.
Watch closely as I pour some water at the top of the tray. See how it looks like a river flowing through a riverbed? Can you see how the water is breaking down our sand riverbanks? This is an example of weathering. Remember that weathering breaks down rocks.
Now, look at the water running towards the bottom of our pan. Do you see how it's carrying little piece of sand with its flows? This is an example of erosion. The process of erosion carries broken pieces of rock and sand away. Do you see at the bottom of our tray now? All this sand was carried down our sheet, was deposited here at the bottom. This process is called deposition.
Remember that weathering breaks the sediment. Erosion takes the sediment, and deposition drops the sediment in a new place.
We're going to use this straw to weather our sand another way using the power of wind. Did you see that? When I blow the air, our sand formation broke down from weathering.
The air carried away the sand fragments through erosion, and the sand settled somewhere else through deposition.
Now, let's stimulate rainfall using this watering can and see how that affects our land. What's happening where the rain is falling? Can you see the same process of weathering, erosion, and deposition? Finally, let's take a look at our ice cube. Do you notice any weathering or erosion where the ice cube have been? If you don't see much change, that's okay. These ice cubes are showing us glacial movement, which is very slow process of weathering. Over time, the ice cube will slide down, weathering the land underneath, the carrying away some of the sand with them and depositing that sand somewhere else.